Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of our life. That is jealousiness. You may ask that we are not jealous, and you may say that we are always happy about the growth of the other individual in our life. But I'll tell you guys, everybody is made to feel jealous in their life. You may ask, who has allowed you to feel jealous about someone else? I'm telling you, since you are born, your parents had made you to lead a competitive life. They have asked you to compete with some others in order to get first in the class. Your priest has been telling you that be competitive and win over others. If you do not win, you will be a failure of the life. In order to get first, you need to compete with the other people. This is a very cunning society, guys, wherein we are trained to compete with each other in order to gain the supremacy on each other. People are not worried how we have achieved success. People are only worried whether you are successful or not. This jealousy will kill you. This insufficiency feeling which you are getting out of jealousiness will kill you. This has been designed by the cunning society that you have to feel jealous from the childhood. A child for whom all the doors of the life is open, who can feel blissful at all the time, who can feel ecstatic at all the time, who can feel happy and at all the time from the childbirth, has been trained by the people, have been told, spoiled by the people to feel jealous about someone else. Even by looking at their shirt, by looking at their face, looking at their hairstyle, all these things have been compared. Their lifestyle, their beauty, everything is being compared and has been told to the child to make him feel jealous. Such a cruel society we are living in. We are competing with our own kind of people who look like us, who have feeling like us, who have emotions like us. This is truly a crooked society, you need to understand. But I'll ask you a genuine question. What will happen? See, if you grow in life, today I'm working as a senior principal consultant in one of the organizations. Okay, at the same time I'm a life coach. Okay. But if I keep on competing, what will happen is that, I'll never be happy. Above me, there are few more people like directors. There are few more people like AVPs. There are VPs, there are executive officers, there are so many positions which are above me. And now the people who are looking at my position will say that, Mr. Reddy, there is someone who is sitting above you, he is a director of the company. See how powerful he is and how he is enjoying his life. This kind of jealousiness people prepare. Okay. And the person who is at the position of mine will never think that there are also people below me. But thing is, what is happening is that most of the time people gain satisfaction thinking that there are also people below me. So this is like a ladder which is round. Okay. And every time in your life you find someone who is above you and someone who is below you. So if you want to come out of this competitive world also, you will be somehow pulled by the society and you will be somehow pulled by your own internal feelings saying that I am an architect and I have so many people who are working under me. So this satisfaction will keep you in this competition and will keep you in this jealousiness. And you will be happy with what you are doing. So what you need to do? How to come out of this? There is a ladder already which is there. I have told you, this is a circle-like thing. There is always somebody above you. There is always somebody below you. So this is called a jealousiness ladder, what I am trying to tell you. So how you need to come? You need to jump out of this ladder. So what you need to do is you need to kick this ladder from your life, that I am not going to be competitive from today. I am not going to feel jealousy from today. I am just going to feel happy and ecstatic and blissful within myself. See, today I am just sitting here and enjoying my time in the water, putting my legs in the water. This is my time. I am feeling blissful. I am feeling ecstatic. I am feeling tremendous from inside. This makes me feel happy. This makes me feel tremendous. This makes me feel blissful and all above the world. The time which God has given to me, I don't want to waste in showing jealousiness to the co-beings, the core life which is existing along with me. So guys, remove this jealousy from you. Don't train your children on jealousiness, comparison. There is a ladder, I told you that it is circular ladder, and although you climb this ladder up, there is always someone who is above you, who is the cause of your jealousiness. And you will not leave this ladder because there is always somebody below you which gives you a kind of stupid satisfaction that you are above so many people. So you need to jump out of this ladder and leave the ladder completely there itself, and you need to feel happy, blissful, ecstatic by yourself. Bye guys, this is Umakant, your life coach, and I'm just enjoying this nice flowing water.